So, hello guys, welcome to my live stream. Wait, hold on, give me a second. Let me just really quick see whether I'm on live or not. Alright. Touch the ground. No, so shake it. Yeah. So, so, yeah, I understood that I'm on live. So let's start with today's live stream. I know that no one's yet here. There's no one gonna come to. Anyways, so this stream is all about, I just randomly do physics, some good questions. And if you really wanna try yourself, yeah, you can also like try along with me and see how I do them simultaneously. So getting back to like wait, let me just paste what am I working on recently. Wait, no, not this. Wait, let me really close this. Yo, okay. So yeah, let's go on to our first question, which is I found this one good question. Like, let's try to solve this one. Oh wait, can I like possibly screenshot this and paste it? Yeah, I can. I guess. Let me try. Yeah, the question's up here. First, this question goes on like, wow, what's the local minimum and maximum of this quantities? All right. So let me just analyze this question really quick. So the question says that I gave a function and an interval of the x lying in some value. So let me just go y is equals to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 12x, hold on, plus 8. This is the function which he has given us, and he asked us what's the local minimum. So before heading to this, let's hop on some music for good feel. Okay, yeah, I guess you guys can hear this. Yeah, wait, let me just see how much audible is this. I guess you guys can hear this. Let me just see how much audible is this. Wait. Okay, so yeah, I just understood that it was like decent amount of sound. So heading back, let's see what could we do to this one. So first, you gotta like to find either maximum or like minimum of this given function. You gotta like differentiation of this like derivative of the function y with respect to x should be equal to 0 for the condition, and we gotta see what are its minimum and maximum points. So derivative of this function gives 3x 3 into 2, 3 is gonna come from, it's gonna be apparently 6x squared minus 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is its derivative. So if I cancel out 6 over here, I left with 6x squared minus x minus 6, sorry, minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So now this can be like further simplified to, let's say, what could we do? X minus plus x. Oh shit, excuse me. X minus 2. This Oppenheimer's, wait. Oh shit. Extremely sorry. X minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So the values of x are gonna be 2 and minus 1. Now how do you know which is maximum or which is minimum? For that we gotta double differentiate this, and if that is greater than, that is less than 0, then that will be the maximum value of x. So double differentiation of this function again, like I mean double differentiation of this function, like again differentiating this value, which is 12, 12x minus 6 is it should be less than 0 to get the interval, like, so this is gonna be x should be less than 1 by 2, and this would be the maximum value, local maxima, and wait, so x 12x minus 6 should be greater than 0, and x is greater than 1 by 2. This would be the minimum. Okay, local minimum. So local minimum is over here, the intervals which satisfy this is gonna be the minimum value, and the value which is satisfying this condition, and the solutions which we got are minus 1 is the only thing. So this is going to be the maximum, local maximum. So yeah, that's how the definitions go by. This is how the maths work. Yeah. So C is a multi correct one, by the way, so you gotta see carefully. The local minima is x is equals to, as we did it, and local maxima is minus 1. So B, C are the ones which satisfy the equation. So yeah, this was okay, decent question. Let's move on to another question. Let me read a quick paste, another one, a good one, by the way. So yeah. So work. So let me just paste over here. Question goes on like, saying that a projectile fired at an angle of beta from inclined plane of inclination alpha strikes at a right angle to the plane. So the particle which is actually going in this strikes the plane completely perpendicularly, so strikes the plane perpendicularly, making an angle 90. So this is what the question said. The angle of projectile is beta as given, and the angle of, wait, the noise is too loud, I guess. Yeah. and the angle of inclination is alpha. Strikes at right angles to the plane. Okay. Tan alpha into tan beta. The first option is tan alpha into tan beta is 1 by 2. Yeah, let's verify each one and let's see what really are they trying to tell. So tan alpha is going to be the vertical displacement. Hold on. Yeah, when this particle is hitting the objective completely vertically, that means it has no velocity along x. I mean, with respect to the plane, the Vx is equal to 0. Yeah. So by this, let's redraw the figure back again with like a horizontal. Yeah. This is the plane, and the projectile is starts from here and goes and hits the ground back perpendicularly.